Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video I'm going to show how to edit Holi special content photo editing tutorial. Open Picsart and select the pic canvas of 1:1 ratio white background. And you have to arrange this white background like this. Top you have to go to layers, tap empty layer and go to add photo and select the PNG. I will give you each and every PNG in the description and going down with this. These happy Holi background PNG. Okay, you have to arrange this background PNG in the center like this. Okay, you have to exact position in the center. It will take some time, so you have to follow the video and simply adjust in the center like this. And also you have to take another empty layer. Now you have to add your model image. I already cut my model image, so you have to cut your model image before editing this type of photo editing tutorial. This is my model image. You have to decrease the opacity so you can find where you are arranging. Using this eraser tool, you have to arrange it exactly on the bottom portion. Okay, you have to arrange like I am doing in the video. After arranging, you have to increase the opacity. Okay, you have to increase the opacity and you have to take another empty layer and you have to add the Holi PNG. Okay, Holi text PNG. I will give each and every PNG link in the description. You can go and download there. You have to arrange perfectly in the center like this. Friends, if you are still watching my video, if you really enjoy my videos and tutorials, please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, don't forget to like the video. You have to arrange perfectly Holi text in the center below the model image and the background circle. Now go to edit image. You have to do further editings in this tutorial. Okay, you have to add the further PNGs, colorful PNGs. Okay, and you have to arrange exactly around the model image. Okay, simply follow my video. Friends, this is the end of the tutorial. Friends, simply follow my video and download your images like this. Okay, if you really enjoy this video, please consider like. Friends, don't forget to Subscribe and like the video and share it to your friends. See you in next video with new concept photo editing tutorial.